Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, where we bring you the hottest rides, the latest car trends, and the most exciting automotive action. Today, we've got something truly special, a legendary name making a massive comeback, the 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4. Dodge has finally brought back the SRT-4 badge, and trust me, this beast is here to shake up the game. Buckle up because we're about to take a deep dive into everything this turbocharged monster has to offer. Exterior. At first glance, the 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4 is a statement on wheels. It screams aggression from every angle, blending modern styling with the soul of the original street racer that took the early 2000s by storm. Up front, the LED headlights have an ultra-sharp design, slicing through the darkness with precision. The grille is bold, featuring the iconic crosshair-inspired look but with a modern twist. A massive lower rear intake feeds fresh air straight to the turbocharged engine, while the hood scoop isn't just for show, it's fully functional, keeping things cool under pressure. And let's not forget the signature red SRT badge proudly displayed, letting everyone know this isn't just any Neon, it's the king of compacts. Moving along the side, the 2025 Neon SRT-4 keeps things muscular. The sculpted body lines add a level of aggression that matches its performance, while flared wheel arches house lightweight 19-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in high-performance rubber. The stance is low, mean, and ready to attack corners at a moment's notice. Red-painted Brembo brakes peek through the spokes, a clear sign that Dodge means business when it comes to stopping power. The side skirts aren't just for aesthetics, they improve aerodynamics, reducing drag and keeping this beast planted at high speeds. And let's talk about the mirrors. The carbon fiber accents give it that race-inspired touch, making sure it not only looks fast but feels the part. 2. Swinging around to the back, the 2025 SRT-4 makes it clear that it's not messing around. A massive rear wing dominates the rear profile, and yes, it's fully functional, providing real downforce when you push this machine to the limit. The taillights feature Dodge's signature LED racetrack design, giving it a futuristic look while paying homage to the brand's muscle car heritage. The rear diffuser is aggressive, directing airflow to enhance stability, and right at the center sits the WRX STI copyright Systencia, a dual exhaust system that doesn't just look good but sounds absolutely ferocious. Dodge made sure this turbocharged four-cylinder has a voice, and trust me, it growls like an animal when you put your foot down. Interior. Step inside, and the 2025 Neon SRT-4 welcomes you to a cockpit built for speed. Dodge has ditched the basic interiors of past Neons and gone full performance mode. Alcantara-wrapped sports seats hug you in all the right places, ensuring you stay planted during aggressive cornering. Red stitching and SRT badging are everywhere, reinforcing that this is no ordinary compact. The flat-bottom steering wheel is a work of art, featuring paddle shifters for rapid gear changes and a thick grip that feels perfect in your hands. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, displaying boost levels, G-forces, and a shift light indicator because every millisecond counts when you're gunning for speed. The center console houses a higher-resolution infotainment system, complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Dodge's latest performance pages, allowing you to monitor engine vitals, track times, and even launch control settings. The gear selector is race-inspired, and the aluminum pedals complete the experience, making sure every interaction feels like a connection between man and machine. Performance. But let's get to the heart of this beast, to the performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4 packs a turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, cranking out an insane 350 horsepower and 360 pounds-feet of torque. That's right, this little compact is pushing numbers that put some sports cars to shame. The power is sent to all four wheels through an advanced AWD system, ensuring maximum grip off the line. Speaking of which, 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just 4.2 seconds, making this one of the quickest compact cars in the game. The 6-speed manual transmission option remains for the purists, while an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic is available for those who want lightning-fast shifts. The turbo spools up quickly, delivering a relentless surge of power, and the exhaust note is pure symphony for gearheads. And yes, launch control is included, meaning you can get consistent, tire-screeching takeoffs every single time. Handling is where the SRT-4 truly shines. The adaptive suspension system adjusts in real time, giving you precision in the corners without sacrificing comfort for daily driving. The AWD system can send power where it's needed most, providing grip in all conditions, whether you're carving through back roads or tearing up the track. The electronic limited slip differential ensures power is distributed efficiently, eliminating understeer and giving you that razor-sharp turn in that every enthusiast craves. And those massive Brembo brakes, they bring this powerhouse to a stop with authority, giving you the confidence to push harder with every turn. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4 starts at around $38,000, making it an absolute steal for the performance it delivers. Fully loaded, with all the optional performance and tech upgrades, you're looking at closer to $45,000. When you compare this to the competition, whether it's the Honda Civic Type R, Volkswagen Golf R, or even the Subaru WRX STI, the Neon SRT-4 offers an unbeatable mix of power, technology, and sheer driving excitement for the price. Dodge isn't just bringing back an old name, they're redefining the compact performance segment. So, what's the final verdict on the 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4? It's everything we loved about the original, but dialed up to 11. It's got the speed, the looks, the tech, and most importantly, the soul of a true street racer. Whether you're a longtime SRT fan or new to the world of turbocharged performance, this car delivers an experience that's hard to match. If you've been waiting for the return of a true pocket rocket, Dodge has answered your prayers. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4. What do you think of this beast? Would you take it over the competition? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more high-octane content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. This is Trendz TV, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay fast, stay furious, and keep chasing that adrenaline.